Pedal kayaks were developed back in the 90s to provide a hands-free way of propelling a kayak through the water. The concept was developed to provide a more efficient and ergonomic way to maneuver a kayak while engaging in activities such as fishing or photography. The first commercially successful pedal kayak released on the market was by the Hobie Cat Company, which pioneered the Mirage Drive pedal-operated fins that propel the kayak through the water. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 pedal kayaks on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Perception Pescador Pilot 12. The Pilot Drive propeller system installed into the Perception Pescador pedal kayak is what draws the attention of the outdoor enthusiasts. It is what allows kayakers to have their hands free for taking pictures, sipping water, and actually enjoying nature. The sit-on-top design is further embraced by the removable chair with front and back adjustments for comfortable fishing. The large storage area is composed of a cooler, tackle, and other accessories that supply your kayaking experience with the necessary attributes. The stability you have when roaming around is of a high level. You are free to stand up and angle your fishing rod down in the water without worrying about falling over. The 4 molded-in rear rod holders constitute the finishing touch that holds the standards high for other kayak manufacturers. Things we like. There is additional storage space under the seat, which comes in handy more often than not. The drink holder stops your beverage from spilling no matter how intensely the boat is shaking. Number 2. Perception Crank 10. Not everyone needs a long boat to be able to sail on the weekends. Sometimes a 10-foot pedal kayak like the Crank 10 by Perception Kayaks is a better alternative. It works great on a variety of water surfaces including lakes, coastal waters, and ponds. Featuring a breathable mesh seat that can be removed and a new generation pedal drive, this watercraft is hardly short of anything. This kayak can effortlessly pedal back and forth through calm waters without the need to remove the drive before going back. The deck of this kayak has plenty of storage room. The large back tankwell can hold the kayak crate, a dry bag, or a cooler with no additional conditions. This means you can go cruising around all day, and have quick and easy access to all of your onboard essentials at any point. Number 3. BKC PK1313 Pedal Drive Fishing Kayak. The slender pedal kayak developed by the Brooklyn Kayak Company is the perfect equipment to use when cruising at high speed. The smooth pedals integrated into the gear make you propel at light speed, while the adjustable foot straps keep your feet in place. The manufacturer included the hand-operated rudder to give you full control of the craft's direction without you having to put too much effort. At 550 pounds weight capacity, this boat is able to hold enough essentials to last you until the end of your kayaking trip. The rear cargo area is equipped with bungee cords that can keep your duffel bag, cooler, and other items safe. The aluminum-built chair has a padded backrest, which helps to protect your back muscles from becoming sore. You can adjust your chair according to your preference and stay back and relax while pedaling or fishing. Number 4. Wilderness Systems Radar 115. The tri-powered kayak by Wilderness Systems is a beast that can be operated by a beginner and a kayak professional. This watercraft features S.M.A.R.T. technology that stands for stability, maneuverability, acceleration, responsiveness, and tracking, that can be observed throughout the whole boat. It is compatible with Helix PD pedal drive and Helix MD motor drive, that have to be purchased separately, which provide you with the latest operational advancements that will satisfy all your electronics cravings. You have got a defined kneel line that helps to track, an upswept bow that promotes a dry ride, and a rockered chine that is responsible for steering. The Air Pro Max seat built into the kayak is one of the most comfortable seats found on the market. It is crafted from durable mesh and includes an ergonomic 3D foam which provides you with a great level of airflow and back support. Number 5. Old Town Topwater 120 Angler Fishing Kayak. For an easy-to-maneuver fishing kayak that is supported by the ultra-stable and lightweight hull and low-maintenance forward/reverse pedal, check out Old Town Topwater 106 PDL Angler Fishing Kayak. At 10.5 feet long and 82 pounds heavy, it offers a hands-free performance that enables you to glide smoothly through the water regardless of the weather condition. The boat features an easy pending system and an oversized stern tank, both of which work together to provide you with effortless fishing experience. The transducer mounting system integrated into the kayak enables you to mount a transducer for use with a fish finder. 3 rod holders and rod and tackle storage serve as a bonus for the already well thought out construction of the boat. Things we like. Hands-free fishing made simple. EVA foam deck pads ensure slip-free pedaling. The Element Air seat is breathable and adjustable. Things we don't like. Weight and fins make transport slightly more demanding. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.